Hi guys, this is Ranish Malhan from PixCompose. Today we are going to see how we can animate a pattern over the t-shirt in Photoshop. You can see the effect on the screen. So let's move further without wasting our time. So this is our image on which we are going to work today. So firstly, I want to put the texture which we are going to animate on t-shirt of this boy. So for that we have to make a selection of this t-shirt with the quick selection tool. So I am going to make it. Click over here. Now click here. Find it from here. Great. Now add the area from here. Exit. Now remove the selection from the finger. Add the selection here like this. Add the selection over here. Like this. We have a pretty cool selection right now, so let's move further. Now I want to create a new layer with this t-shirt selection. For that I have to right click and then we can select layer by a copy. This will create a new layer with the t-shirt on it like this. So we can rename it t-shirt. Great. So now we have to place a texture over here so that we can animate it. So for that, double click on the t-shirt layer in the layers panel. Here you can see an option called pattern overlay. So this is the pattern overlay. From here you can select the pattern which you want to apply for the animation, and from here you can select the blending mode. I can go with any type of blending mode which I like. This you can reduce the opacity to make it look good. So now we need to animate this. For that click OK. Now here this is the timeline. If you don't see a timeline panel here, for that go to the window and here you can select the timeline. I have already selected that, that's why the timeline is appeared here. So now click on create video timeline. Here we can see the layers. The first one is t-shirt layers. Click on this arrow. Here we can see the animatable properties of this layer. So here we want to animate the style because we have the pattern style applied over this layer. So we want to animate that. So we can click on this stopwatch. So now we have key applied by the Photoshop. After clicking on this stopwatch, now move the playhead towards the end. Here double click on the pattern overlay. So here are the layer properties. Go to the pattern overlay and now start dragging the texture in the direction in which you want to animate it. Like I want to animate it downwards, so I am dragging it towards the bottom left. So now hit OK. From here you can play it. Now you can see we have a texture which is animating on the t-shirt. This is slow because right now the Photoshop is trying to cache this animation. So now you can do the same thing on this red t-shirt with the same technique. So that's all for today. If you like this video, please do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the latest updates on time about our future videos. Thanks for watching.